Hello, I just wanted to let you know that I am working right now on bringing Gutenberg update for all my plugins. This means that all the shortcodes that my plugins provided until now will have also a Gutenberg block alternative. Let's check on this what this means exactly. This will mean that when you install one of my plugins, you will also have access to Gutenberg blocks that will replace the shortcodes that my plugins provided. So here they are. If you search the blocks in Gutenberg, in embeds, mostly you will find the blocks that my plugins will provide. Before you could see these shortcodes here at the bottom of the main settings of each plugin or in the plugin's documentation. Using these shortcodes were a bit hard and sometimes counterintuitive. Because of this, I will make these blocks. So if you want to embed a Facebook video in your page, simply click this block, add the video URL, the width of the video, and the height. So like this, you will be able to use the old shortcodes easily. Also, my plugins will replace the meta box that was shown at the bottom of each post. If you remember in the old editor, if you installed one of my plugins, you got a meta box at the bottom of each post. This will be replaced starting from now with sidebar widgets, Gutenberg sidebar widgets. Each of my plugin will create a button like this. If you click this button, you will be able to post to Facebook this post. And also this will apply to all my plugins that automatically post to other social networks or websites. So don't forget, the meta boxes are transferred to sidebar widgets, while the shortcodes are transferred to these Gutenberg blocks. Okay. In the near future, I will also make some tutorial videos to detail exactly how to implement your meta boxes to Gutenberg blocks and how to create these sidebar widgets also for Gutenberg. So I will do some tutorial videos here on this channel to show you exactly how to implement Gutenberg blocks and Gutenberg sidebar widgets. So if you're interested in this subject, stay tuned. Okay. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and bye bye.